Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. In today's video I'm going to do a bloom, because you all know I like doing blooms. I'm using some pretty colors, green and gold together. I think they look really nice. So I'm going to give it a try. Come and join me and see how it goes. Hi everyone. I'm going to do a little bloom just on this tile. I'm just going to test out some colors and then I'll do a bigger one. This is just runoff paint from another bloom. Okay, so I'm going to do turquoises and gold. So I've got phthalo green with Winsor Newton and some teal mixed together. I'm going to put that on the bottom. And I've got and this is a phthalo green. No, it's just a phthalo green, a dark one. I think it has a bit of hooker green into it. That was from another pour. I darkened it up. I'll put some gold in now. This is a pigment, and I'm not sure what brand this is because I don't know. I just bought it at a clearance sale and it wasn't marked, so it's a darker gold. Oh, it's pretty thick. I should have thinned it down some more, I guess. All right, so now I've got ice blue. I thought I had another lighter turquoise. Yes, I do somewhere. Where'd it go? Oh, I have a PBO green blue and seagrass. Go put in the seagrass. This little piggy. It's more contrasting. It's nice. Pretty, pretty. It's probably too much paint for this little guy. I don't think I'm going to put the blue in, because I like that other one. I don't need it. Now I'll put this some gold. Use a black cell activator. Debating, I might use two. I'm going to use my blower. I wasn't going to, but I changed my mind. Gold. Whoa. That is very pretty. I definitely will do a big one like this. Whoa. I did get a bit of white through, but not a lot, so I'm happy. I'll wait till it comes back. Pretty, isn't it? All right, I think it's ready to spin. There, I think it's good. I love this gold and green together. It's very pretty. And I've got some peacock cells, a couple of colors in there. There. So I like this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a bigger one in these colors. Thanks for watching this one. Hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell so that you'll get notified when I do a new video. And come back to my art room. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. Here's my dried tile. Well, it's almost dry. The middle is still a little bit wet. So I'm not going to touch it over there. But it's drying really well. You can see some shine in those pigments. Sea glass looks really nice.